Welcome back. Realme 9i 5G was launched in India on Thursday as the company's latest affordable smartphone, with exciting features. Want to know about it? Then stick till the end, and those who are watching, make sure to subscribe for more updates. Let's begin. The dual SIM Realme 9i 5G runs Realme UI 3, which is based on Android 12. It sports a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display, with 90 Hz refresh rate, and 400 nits brightness. Under the hood, the smartphone gets an octa-core MediaTek, paired with up to 6 GB of RAM. For photos and videos, this model packs a triple rear camera. There is a 50-megapixel main sensor, a portrait shooter, and a macro camera. For selfies and video calls, the smartphone gets an 8-megapixel sensor. This smartphone gets up to 128 GB of storage expandable via microSD card. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and a USB Type-C port. Sensors on board include magnetic induction sensor, light, proximity, and acceleration sensors. Looking at battery, the Realme 9i 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts quick charge technology. The phone comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and weighs 187 grams. The price of this smartphone in India is set at 15,000 for the base 4GB RAM version and 17,000 for the 6GB RAM variant. The company is offering the phones with 1,000 rupees discount for both variants if you purchase with HDFC Bank account. The Realme smartphone will go on sale on August 24th at 12 p.m. in Metallica Gold, Rocking Black, and Soulful Blue color options. That's the video, guys. Hope it is useful, and if you have any suggestions, do comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.